Every luxury timepiece begins with raw metal, cut, melted, and prepared for the precision engineering that follows.
Precision machines carve each component with microscopic accuracy, forming the gears and structures that power modern luxury watches. Expert hands refine every detail, transforming precision parts into a handcrafted luxury watch ready for the finest collections.
Each piece of metal is carefully graded by purity and strength, ensuring only the highest quality materials enter the watchmaking process.
Titanium components demand exceptional precision, with every cut shaping the ultra-strong foundation for premium watch cases.
Brass sheets are stamped into small discs that will later become the tiny gears powering the heart of every luxury movement. Synthetic rubies are prepared for jewel bearings, reducing friction and ensuring smooth, long-term precision inside the movement. With inspection complete, the prepared metal blocks move toward the CNC zone, where precision shaping and case machining will soon begin. Technicians examine the internal grain structure of each metal block, ensuring the strength required for high-precision machining.
Advanced CNC machines sculpt the watch case with micron-level accuracy, carving every contour from a solid block of steel.
A constant stream of coolant keeps the metal stable as deeper cuts are made, preventing heat buildup during precision shaping.
The bezel takes shape through high-speed rotational cutting, forming the signature outline of the luxury watch case. Dial production begins with thin brass sheets stamped into perfect circular blanks that form the base of every luxury watch face.
Fine guilloche tools carve intricate patterns into each dial, creating the signature textures of high-end watch craftsmanship.
Robotic arms apply uniform layers of color to each dial, with every coat dried under precise UV lighting for a flawless finish. Micro-milling tools carve each brass gear with extreme precision, shaping the tiny components that drive the watch's mechanical heartbeat. Laser engraving etches brand signatures and alignment marks onto each movement plate with absolute precision and clarity. Each engraving is performed at microscopic scale, ensuring flawless clarity even under magnification. Polishing begins with coarse compounds that smooth the raw machined surface, revealing the early shine of the watch case. Artisans alternate between brushed and mirror finishes, creating the contrasting surfaces that define luxury watch craftsmanship. Watchmakers prepare ultra-fine tools designed to handle fragile movement components with absolute precision. Hundreds of micro-components are arranged with absolute precision, forming the foundation of the movement assembly process.
Assembly of the gear train begins with the central wheel, the component that transfers power throughout the entire movement.
Each gear must mesh with absolute precision, ensuring smooth rotation and near frictionless motion inside the movement. Jewel bearings are installed to minimize friction and ensure long-term durability within the gear train.
The gear train is rotated for the first time, revealing any imbalance or resistance that could affect long-term accuracy. A microprobe verifies spacing between gears, ensuring perfect alignment and preventing any resistance in the power transfer.
High-magnification lenses reveal microscopic details in the gear train, allowing watchmakers to verify flawless early-stage assembly.
The balance wheel is introduced,
acting as the beating heart of the watch and regulating its precise rhythm.
The escapement fork is installed next, transferring energy to the balance wheel in perfectly timed pulses. The hairspring is adjusted with extreme care, as even the slightest change in tension directly impacts the watch's accuracy.
Each tick represents a precisely timed transfer of energy, forming the consistent heartbeat that drives the entire watch. Amplitude tests confirm that the balance wheel oscillates with the proper strength, maintaining the watch's long-term accuracy.
With the movement calibrated, the finished dial is now prepared for installation, showcasing its detailed engravings and color finish. The dial is carefully mounted onto the movement, aligning perfectly with the posts and ensuring flawless stability. The hour hand is carefully pressed into place using a precision tool designed to protect the dial from even the slightest pressure marks.
The minute hand is aligned and pressed into place, ensuring it sits perfectly above the hour hand without ever touching it. The crown stem is installed, linking the winding crown to the movement and enabling precise adjustment of the watch's time.
Once the movement is secured, the caseback is sealed tightly to protect the internal mechanics from dust, moisture, and impact.
Each bracelet link is connected using micro pins, creating a flexible chain designed for both comfort and long-term durability.
Each watch is placed into a pressure chamber to confirm that the case seals can withstand real-world water exposure. The chamber simulates extreme underwater pressure, pushing the watch far beyond conditions it will ever meet in daily use.
Every detail is inspected one last time, ensuring the finished watch meets the demanding standards of true luxury craftsmanship.
Authentication cards and warranty documents are added, each verifying the watch's serial number and craftsmanship. A thin protective film and soft tissue wrap are added, ensuring the watch remains pristine during shipping and presentation.
The presentation box is closed and sealed, completing the watch's transformation into a luxury product ready for delivery.
Each package is scanned into the global tracking system, linking the watch's serial number to its destination.
Automated systems sort each package, attaching shipping labels with precision before routing them to their destinations. Foam-lined crates are prepared to protect each watch box during international transport and handling.
Upon arrival in the boutique, the watch is unboxed and prepared for display under precision lighting. Finally, the watch is presented to its new owner, completing its journey from raw metal to a true luxury timepiece.